Hello, and welcome to this episode about the 5 most common mistakes and how to avoid them in your resume. The 5 most common mistakes when building a resume are spelling mistakes, lies and half-truths, being too modest, being too arrogant, or submitting your resume in the wrong format. Let's explore how to avoid each one of them. Spelling mistakes appear to the interviewer as if you weren't so careful when preparing your resume. You may even be perceived as sloppy. To avoid that, run your resume through a grammar checker, such as Grammarly or Write. Those tools are often free or offer a free trial period. Don't write lies and half-truths on your resume. It won't work out for you. An innocent lie, such as your level of proficiency in a particular language, can ruin your chances of getting a job offer. Imagine if the interviewer decides to test your French skills, but you have no French skills. It will be apparent that you lied on your resume. The interviewer might then choose not to proceed with the interview because the information on your resume isn't trustworthy. Also, it isn't a problem to have little work experience. You can still create a winning resume. It's all about how you communicate your achievements and skills. Don't be modest in your resume. It should be an advertisement of your successes. You're expected to showcase your most impressive accomplishments. That's how you attract recruiters' attention and make them interested in learning more about you over an interview. The flip side of being too modest is being too arrogant. Don't oversell your skills and accomplishments. Recruiters notice when you stretch your successes too much. It all comes down to how you communicate. Don't use fancy and impressive words to describe simple accomplishments. Pay attention when submitting your resume to your potential employer. You will probably use a word processor tool such as Word or Google Docs to build your resume. But when submitting your resume, make sure that it's in PDF format. It looks cleaner and more professional. And this is the end of the series, Creating a Winning Resume. I hope that you were able to develop the ability to analyze the needs of an employer and match your resume to those needs. Learn how to format a resume and create a visually impressive document. And create a resume that will increase your chances of getting invited to a first interview. I wish you good luck in your job search.